Hi, welcome to Get Personal with Finance. If you're a college student looking for a YouTube channel to get educated on the topic of personal finance, this channel is dedicated for you. As a practicing financial professional since 2005, I know what the heck I'm talking about. So I have the credentials, degree, registrations, success to back it up. I'm here to mentor you to master your personal finance. I know there's a lot of bad information out there on YouTube, social media in general, that people are just touting whatever they want to tout and claiming themselves as financial expert. And to me, it's very disturbing. There are plenty of college students out there that have lost so much of their time and their money, and they've gotten the completely wrong idea of what personal finance is all about. To show my care and my passion for a topic that I hold dear, which is personal finance and what I practice, at the end of 2021, I funded a $300,000 quasi-endowment at Cal State Fullerton in the College of Business and Economics to promote financial literacy to all students, and not just that, but to make it available for college students everywhere as well too. With that, I'm excited for you to join me in this journey to build out our community. So please like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.